Mustard yellow kitchen cabinets bring a bold, retro vibe to your kitchen. This warm and inviting color adds a burst of energy, especially when paired with neutral countertops or backsplash. A smoky blue-gray hue is a versatile choice, blending the calmness of blue with the sophistication of gray. This shade is perfect for creating a serene yet stylish kitchen. Lavender is an unexpected but delightful choice for kitchen cabinetry. This soft, pastel shade brings a calming, whimsical feel, perfect for adding a unique touch to your kitchen. Icy mint green cabinets offer a fresh, cool aesthetic, perfect for modern kitchens. This pale, pastel shade brings a refreshing, breezy vibe to the kitchen, ideal for light and airy designs. For a playful and modern twist, blush pink cabinets add a soft, feminine touch to the kitchen. This subtle hue pairs well with neutral tones and natural materials for a chic look. Taupe is a warm neutral that adds subtle elegance to kitchen cabinets. This understated shade blends well with a variety of color schemes, creating a versatile, timeless look. Terracotta kitchen cabinets provide a warm, earthy feel, perfect for creating a cozy, Mediterranean-inspired space. The muted orange tone brings warmth and texture to the kitchen. Navy blue is a sophisticated choice that brings depth and elegance to kitchen cabinetry. This rich, moody shade pairs beautifully with brass or gold accents for a luxurious feel. Emerald green is a luxurious and bold choice for kitchen cabinetry. This rich, jewel-tone color instantly elevates the space, especially when paired with gold or brass finishes. Charcoal gray cabinets are sleek and sophisticated, providing a modern, edgy look. This deep, neutral shade pairs well with white countertops and stainless steel appliances. Sage green is a timeless, calming color that's perfect for creating a serene kitchen atmosphere. Its muted, earthy tone works beautifully in both modern and traditional spaces. Matte black cabinets are a dramatic choice for modern kitchens. The sleek, matte finish provides a clean and minimalist look, perfect for making a bold statement. Olive green is a trendy choice that brings earthy sophistication to kitchen cabinets. This muted green shade pairs well with brass fixtures and natural wood accents for a rustic chic vibe. Coral is a vibrant, cheerful choice for kitchen cabinets, perfect for adding energy and warmth to your space. This bold hue pairs beautifully with neutral tones and natural materials. Burgundy is a bold, rich color choice for kitchen cabinets, perfect for creating a dramatic, luxurious feel. This deep red hue works beautifully with gold accents and dark wood elements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more design and tips.